parents-to-be, did you know that one of the major reasons why dogs are rehomed is because a family is expecting a new baby? It's true. Another big reason is that when they bring their baby home, their dog doesn't like their baby. They're afraid, they're pushy, they're worried, they get aggressive. Many of these things can be avoided, though, through a proper introduction. And I've got some great news for you. I've created this training guide to give you step-by-step instructions, suggestions, and tutorials on how to introduce your dog to your newest and smallest family member. So who is this training guide for? If you're a parent-to-be or you've already brought home your little bundle of joy but don't know how to start getting your dog involved, this guide is for you. It includes an easy-to-read and follow ebook, video lessons and demonstrations, checklists to know that you're prepared, and a whole bunch of resources to keep you moving on the right track. I want you to be prepared, to know what to expect, and to know what to do when you bring your baby home and introduce your pup. That's why I created this training guide, to support you in starting a lifelong friendship and love between your baby and your pup that will last for years to come. So what are you waiting for? Get started.